It's time!
Welcome back, my home warrior nation. I'm Mr. Morales, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today, you probably guessed it from the beginning of this video, we are doing a superhero workout challenge. That's right. Now, we've all been introduced to superheroes from comic books, cartoons, or movies. And we all have our favorite superhero for a different reason. As for me, the first superhero that I learned about was El Chapulín Colorado. Now in English, that translates to the Crimson Grasshopper. Trust me, sounds a lot cooler in Spanish. Well, in fact, let me show you. This is kind of what he looks like. Now, let me show you some pictures. Let's go.
Más fuerte que un ratón. Más noble que una lechuga. Su escudo es un corazón. Es el Chapulín Colorado.
Now, I don't know if you noticed in that last picture, but that was actually a picture of me as a Chapulín Colorado helping out the Punisher because he was getting beat up by the Hulk. But either way, boys and girls, it is time. You know what time it is. It is time to ask yourselves that question. Are you ready to become the superhero champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's get ready, let's go. So it is time, boys and girls, to get ready for a challenge. And you know what time it is. It is time to get in that right mind frame where we tell ourselves, right, to face our fears, to overcome obstacles, and to remember that hard work always leads to victory. It is time for warrior mode. So come on, let's go. That's better. Okay, boys and girls. So for this challenge, we're going to use the same format that we have been using for all the other challenges we've done so far. We're going to have 14 sets, and each set is 30 seconds of work with a 15-second rest period. Now, the only difference is that for this challenge, instead of 30 seconds, we're going to have 33 seconds of work. And that's because I need 3 extra seconds to change into my superhero outfits. Don't worry about it. You'll see. So, boys and girls, remember, the focus is always form over flash. Again, for each exercise you're doing, make sure you do the correct form. And again, do as many as you can, but always with the correct form. That way, you stay safe, but you also maximize your workout and do the most you can for your muscles. All right, with that being said, boys and girls, it is time. It's time for us to get ready for this challenge. So come on, let's get ready because this challenge is about to start. So let's go. Okay, boys and girls, so make sure you have your warrior mode ready because this challenge begins right now. As the Flash, we're going to use our super speed to do high knees as we run in place. Let's go. Incredible has super strength, so let's use it to do some push-ups and work on our upper body. Come on, you got this. And now it is time to practice our Wonder Woman pose as we do lunges. Time for the Men of Steel, Superman, as we work at our core, as we go into our flying mode and do Superman planks. You got this. Captain America, superhero strength, military training. So we're gonna practice our hand-to-hand combat as we do hooks and uppercuts. Come on, let's keep it going. It's your friendly neighborhood Spiderman. And now we're gonna work on our upper body as we do Spiderman push-ups. Come on, Home Warrior Nation. Never quit, never surrender. The Incredible Hulk. He cannot fly, but uses his super strength to leap a great distance. And we're gonna tap into that strength as we do jump squats. Come on, Home Warrior Nation. Time to unleash the power. Dark Knight. Batman doesn't have any superpowers, so he has to train himself to always be on the offensive and defensive. And we're gonna do that right now with a jab, cross, bob and weave combination. I'm Batman. Lantern uses his power ring to fight off bad guys. And we're gonna flash ours to the sky as we work on our core and do our side plank. Come on, we're almost there, let's go. are you going, Home Warriors? We're still part of the Green Lantern Corps because you can't just do one side plank. It's time to work out the other side. So come on, we're almost at the end. Let's go get it. The Punisher. Like Batman, he doesn't have superpowers, but his will and training allow him to overcome incredible obstacles like our last one. Because up next are burpees. Come on, Home Warriors, strong to the finish! We are not done yet, my Home Warrior Nation, because it is time to pay tribute to our real American heroes. So we want to give a shout out to our nurses, doctors, police officers, firemen, essential workers, sanitation crew, people in the food industry who make our food and deliver our food, grocery and supermarket workers, transportation, and everyone who has helped during this difficult time. We want to say thank you and God bless you. Good job, Home Warrior Nation. But there is one thing left. No matter how small or how big the accomplishment, always remember that you have to take time to celebrate! Home Warrior Nation was our superhero workout challenge. So now, next time, try to come back and bring a family member or friend to join you. But if not, come back anyway, because you and I can do it together. Because remember, you're not challenging anyone, you are challenging yourself. And you can always get better. You can do the form better, you can do more reps. Either way, just come back and see yourself get healthier, get stronger. But you know what time it is, boys and girls. It is time to ask yourself that question. That's right. Are you ready to become the superhero champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's go get it.